Hello everyone and welcome back to TBOQ Crochet. In today's video, I am showing the bag of the month. I am sorry, today is July 1st. I am late with showing the bag, but not too late. I will try to start coming a little earlier in the month. And then that's just me making sure that I get started on the bag in time to bring it to you guys in a timely manner. So happy new month to everyone. I feel like I had just said that, but anyway, if I haven't, happy new month, and I wish you nothing but blessings in this month. And let's get started. So the bag for the month of June is the name is Zuri. I have a few notes to make sure I stay not just on the topic, but just to make sure that I don't forget. So Zuri means beautiful. It's East African, but in the, the Basque language, which is between northern Spain and southern France, Zuri means white. So I lined it with a white fabric that has flowers and butterflies in it, and you'll see in a few minutes. This bag, like I said, did take a little time to actually complete because I was waiting for some of the items to make the bag. I was waiting for it to come in. Just because I wanted it to look a certain way. So without further ado, here is June's bag. And if you remember, I told you that it would be in the color blue. So she has a blue, like a royal blue bag bottom. Her flap is the same color as well as her strap. So this is a shoulder bag. But it can be worn as a shoulder bag. You can put the strap in or take it off and wear it as a clutch. And also the strap is actually it is long enough to actually fit around your waist, and you could probably wear this as a waist, a little bag on your waist. It will be up in my Etsy shop. Let's say it should be up by the 4th, by Saturday. It should be up in my Etsy shop ready to purchase. So like I said, the flap, the bottom, and the strap is in the color royal blue, and the bag itself is crocheted with a ocean blue t-shirt yarn. It has a tassel with gold hardware. That's the, if you can see, TBOQ logo right there. This is what the back looks like. And this is her inside. So like I was saying, in that other language, it means white. So I lined it with it's a white fabric, but it has flowers and butterflies. If you can see the inside. I think it came out really, really cute. Like I said, she should be up by the 4th. And that is it. Her name is Zuri. And like I said, Zuri is East African and it means beautiful. Or if you is from that region between Spain and France, yeah, I wanted to make sure I had it right. Between Spain and France, then it means white. And I know the bag is blue, but the inside is white with flowers and butterflies. So that is it, guys, for this video. I knew it was going to be pretty short because I'm just going over the bag of the month. And that is it. If you like this bag or like the contents of this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, guys. I thank all my subscribers once again. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.